This common mistake is clogging your septic system. A septic system is a vital part of any property that isn't connected to a municipal sewer. It quietly processes wastewater, until something goes wrong. This common mistake is clogging your septic system, and it's more widespread than most homeowners realize. Flushing or draining the wrong items into your septic tank can lead to serious blockages, costly repairs, and even system failure. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are the most frequent missteps causing septic system clogs. 1. Flushing flushable wipes and hygiene products. Despite the name, most flushable wipes don't break down in septic tanks. They stay intact, clog pipes, and create thick sludge that can back up your system. Feminine products, paper towels, and cotton balls are just as harmful. 2. Pouring grease down the drain. Hot grease may slide down easily, but it cools and hardens inside your pipes and septic tank. This sticky layer traps other solids, forming stubborn clogs and reducing your tank's efficiency. 3. Overloading with water. Doing too many laundry loads in one day or having constant leaks puts stress on the system. Too much water floods the tank, pushing solids into the drain field and causing blockages. 4. Using harsh chemicals. Bleach, drain cleaners, and disinfectants kill the good bacteria that help break down waste. Without these microbes, your tank fills up faster, and waste can overflow. 5. Skipping regular pumping. Tanks need to be pumped every 3 to 5 years. Neglecting this essential maintenance leads to solid buildup, which clogs pipes and shortens the life of your system. The truth is, this common mistake is clogging your septic system, treating it like a trash bin. With better habits and regular maintenance, you can prevent damage and save thousands in repairs. Treat your septic system with care, and it will serve you for years to come. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.